In a land where fantasy and reality intertwined, the once colorful mushroom kingdom lay eerily draped in shades of gray. Mario, the iconic Italian plumber, stood on the steps of his humble stone house, his once vibrant red cap muted and his eyes searching the landscape with a determined glint. With each step through Toad Town, he noticed that the usual chatter had been replaced by a muted whispering, a stark reflection of the ominous situation. Mario gathered at the town square, the focal point where everyone sought answers in the shadow of the gray-cast castle. Princess Peach, with a sparkle of hope in her eyes, stood atop a podium, her voice the beacon of their resolve. Beside her, Luigi, Mario's taller, softer-spoken brother, tried to maintain an air of calm despite the unease. "Friends, the kingdom may have lost its colors, but not its spirit," Peach began, her voice rallying the crowd. "We must unite to solve this mystery. I have faith that with teamwork, we can restore the vibrancy to our world." Toad, the excitable yet diminutive friend of Mario, was quick on his feet. "I heard rumors that Bowser has a new device, something that can siphon colors. It's said to be hidden in his fortress." Determined, Mario nodded. "To Bowser's castle. We go then. But we'll need a plan. We can't rush into a trap." A plan was hatched, utilizing each character's unique profiles, Mario's agility, Luigi's stealth, and Peach's negotiation skills. Accompanied by Yoshi, the ever-faithful Dino companion, their journey stretched through craggy mountains and desolate deserts, all now cloaked in a depressing palette of grays. Upon reaching Bowser's ominous castle, the team stealthily entered. Chambers echoed with the absence of color, enhancing the atmosphere of suspense. Finding Bowser, who was gleefully boasting the success of his color-stealing device, Peach stepped forward. "Bowser, this mischief ends now," she declared, brandishing her new diplomatic prowess. A tense negotiation, mixed with clever distractions orchestrated by Luigi and swift actions by Mario, ended with Bowser being outsmarted.